Hey there everybody, in this video I'm going to introduce you to a product that will skyrocket your Amazon reviews. Today, getting the most sales is all about social proof, and using the AMZ Boost 360 labels will help you achieve that. Using these scratch and win labels will pretty much guarantee you a review for each label. So let me take you to the website and show you just how easy it is to get this set up. Alright everybody, so as you can see, we're on the AMZ Boost 360 website right now. If you want to learn more about the product, all the information that you need is at your fingertips. To get started with your order, you want to click on Shop Labels, and then you'll have two options. You have the Amazon gift card option, and then you have the customized option. The Amazon gift card option is the simplest, so let's take a look at that. So here is the landing page where you'll enter all of your specific information. You can choose to capture your customer's phone number, and you can choose between $5, $10, and $15 gift card amounts. Here is also where you'll enter your phone number so that when you get a new review associated with your scratch off card, it'll send a confirmation to your cell phone. Once you have all of that complete, select your quantity and select Add to Cart. The last step is to check out, and you can do so securely on the site. After you complete your order, only a few days later, you'll have your scratch off labels in hand. You have peel off adhesive on the back, and it has multiple sections for your convenience. This gives you options on how you're going to get your labels to your customers. You can put it on the outside of the product box. You can put it inside of the product box right on top of your product, or you can even place it on the outside of your shipping box, and you don't have to worry. The adhesive is extremely strong. It will not peel off while in transit. Now for the fun part. When the customer receives the label that is specific to your product, this is what they'll see. It clearly tells them that they won an Amazon gift card, and all they have to do to redeem it is use their smartphone to scan the QR code. This is where you pretty much get a guaranteed review with each label. Once they scan the QR code, it takes them directly to the website where they fill in all the information that's needed, including the order number, their email address, their first and last name, their phone number if you pick that option, and they can't get to the gift card code until they confirm the review on your specific product and enter the one-time use code that was displayed on the scratch off label. Once they do this, the customer will get the code right on their screen, and then you'll get a text message directly to your phone with all of the customer's information. Not only are the AMZ Boost 360 labels excellent for getting more Amazon reviews, but they're also excellent for customer retention. These are a must-have for any Amazon seller looking to increase their Amazon reviews. Pick yours up today from AMZBoost360.com.